Creating a new presentation. A presentation is made up of a series of slides. A single page of the presentation is called a slide. A slide can have text, animation, videos, sound effects, and voiceover. When many slides are run together, one after the other, it is called a slideshow. When you start PowerPoint, the program automatically starts a new presentation for you and calls it Presentation 1. To create a new presentation, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Blank Presentation in the Backstage view. A new presentation opens with a blank slide. Creating the title slide. Whenever you start your presentation, the first slide which opens up is a title slide by default. A title slide displays the text placeholder where the text is to be typed. Entering text in the title text placeholder. To enter the text in a title text placeholder, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the title text placeholder box. Step 2. Type your text in text placeholder box. For example, in the image, the text enter is Green City, Clean City. The title text displays in the title text placeholder and in the Slides tab. Entering text in subtitle text placeholder. Entering text in the subtitle text placeholder is the next step in creating a title slide. To enter the text in a subtitle text placeholder, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the subtitle text placeholder box. Step 2. Type your text in subtitle text placeholder box. The subtitle text is displayed in the subtitle placeholder and in the Slides tab. Inserting a new slide. To insert a new slide, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on the New Slide command in the Slides group. Step 3. Select the type of slide you want. A new slide is inserted. You can also insert a new slide by right-clicking in the Slides pane. Select New Slide option from the pop-up menu. Entering text in the new slide. To enter text in the new slide, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the title text placeholder and type your text. Step 2. Click on the subtitle text placeholder and type your text. When you press the Enter key, a new bullet appears in the next line. Type the remaining text. Changing the font and font size of the text. You can change the font and font size to change the appearance of your slide text by following the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to change. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. In the font group, click on drop-down arrow in the font box to display a list of the available fonts, or in the font group, click on down arrow of font size to display a list of the available sizes. Step 4. Click on the font type and size in which you want your text to appear.